Yo, today is Easter Sunday, apparently. I guess that explains why the peak pay is so high and why I still haven't received an order. I don't know what's going to be open today. Do restaurants even open today? I don't know. But yeah, the current rate on Earn by Time is $22 an hour, so I'm assuming they're factoring this in. Oh, I actually just got the first order. This is for Champ Pizza going 3 miles. No way this place is actually open. I see the open sign lit up. Thank you. You too. That is very, very surprising. They've got to be open for the holidays specifically for this. Because I'm pretty sure they don't open normally until like 10 or 11. Why am I not surprised there was no tip on that? That was actually one of the worst orders I've had in forever. Even with the peak pay adjustment, total ended up being $4. Looks like we got the next order right away though. This is going pretty much right back where I was. We're going to Voodoo Donut, and this one's gonna be going 6 miles. Thank you. Have a good one. You too. Car still smells garlicky from that waste of time earlier. It's just lingering torture. See, that one was a little bit better. That one ended up being $12. Haven't been to this place in a long time. We're heading to Black Bear Diner for a 6.5 mile order. Thank you. Total ended up being $15 for that one. That one was really good, actually. Wow. It's been a little bit since my last order, but I finally got one. This is going to be for Sherry's going 5.5 miles. I've got a feeling it's not ready, so I'm in no rush. Okay, let's go. What are stuffed hash browns?
So there are regular hash browns, and then on the inside is sour cream, cheddar cheese, topped with bacon and green onion. Oh, they're really good. There you go.
Thank you. Total for that one ended up being $15. Pretty good, pretty good. Just got the next order. This is for Bed and Breakfast Burrito Company, one of the many ghost kitchens of this restaurant. And I believe it said it was going 7 miles. So this one, a little iffy on. Ow. Kimberly? Thank you. Just shoulder checked the heck out of that door. That's gonna be a bruise tomorrow. Not bad at all. Total ended up being $14 for that one. Next up, we've got a stacked Voodoo Donut. This is gonna be $11 going 6 miles. Kayla and Melissa.
Okay, perfect. I just finished.
Just gave me an add-on order for Victor Rico's. Another $7 going 4 miles. Probably not worth it, but it'll keep me busy.
Alright, okay.
Thank you.
Drive safe.
It doesn't say the name on it?
Oh. Should be that one.
Thank you.
Thank you. Was accidentally showing my map instead of the order. Whoops. Next up, we've got a Taco Bell. This one is going to be $9 going 4.5 miles. Yeah. Thank you. 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 Thank you.
Thanks for making the trip, man.
No problem. There you are.
Thank you.
Oh, careful with that. Next order up, we've got a Burger King. This one is going 8 miles.
$9 even. Rachel?
Yeah.
Just got that magnet a moment ago.
Thank you so much. Don't think that one was worth it. Total ended up being $11. I feel like it took a long time and the mileage was pretty high on it. I don't know. Just got the next order. This is gonna be a shop and deliver for Safeway. $9 and some change, going 2.5 miles, 4 items. Looks like we're going back to Safeway. We've got another shop and deliver. This one's gonna be $9, going 2 miles, 5 items. Hello. I don't know if these are here specifically, but do you have this? The Nashville tenders? Oh, it might be those, yeah. But also have these. It doesn't have a picture, but it's like the potatoes hot.
Yeah, I have those. A half a pound.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Have a great day.
Thank you. Next up, we've got a stacked McDonald's. This is going to be $12, going 6.5 miles. Thank you. I got this order as I was dropping off. This is a Burgerville going 3.5 miles.
Here's that for you.
Thank you. That bag is greasy. Hopefully it doesn't disintegrate before I get there. Is that upstairs? Of course it's upstairs. I don't even know why I took that order. I knew it was gonna be bad from the beginning. No tipper, and it was like $5. Garbage. We've got Jamba Juice heading 7.5 miles. Thank you.
You have a nice day.
You too. Hello. Zero tip, by the way. How did I know? Total ended up being $5. Let's get out of here. I'm over it. We're done for the day. Current time is 11:49. Current total, we are at 148. And I think I have 3 Uber tips that I'm waiting on. So what is that, like 160-ish? Maybe a little bit more. Definitely did a lot better than I was expecting today. I thought everything was gonna be closed for some reason. I'm pretty much out of gas, so I'm gonna call it a day. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.